Welcome to Intale Point. In this video, we will see how you can install Intale Point by yourself, easy and quick. You will need Intale box, tablet, table stand, screws, screwdriver Phillips type, Ethernet cables, power supply, barcode scanner. In the installation point, you need to have wireless router with a stable internet connection and at least one free Ethernet port, power strip with at least 3 outlets, space around the POS with maximum distance 3 meters from the router and power plug. Installation of Intale Point. Place the Intale box on a flat surface near your router. Connect the Intale box directly to your store's router with the Ethernet cable. Connect the grey cable of the barcode scanner to Intale box. Connect the power supply to the Intale box and then plug it. Make sure the lights on Intale box are on. When you see the lights on, it means you are connected. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the tablet stand. Place the tablet and screw again. Connect the cable supply with the tablet and then plug it. Switch on the tablet. Connect to the internet. In desktop, you will find Intale Point shortcut. Click the icon to open the application. On the screen, you will see the Start shift. Once you insert the login information correctly, the sales function will appear on the screen. You have successfully completed your hardware installation. For other Intale Point functionalities and guides, you can watch the rest of the training videos.